Well, let's take a look at that closer. I would much rather show something if I can rather than just tell you and then you take my word for it. So let's take a pickle jar. Put a few holes in the lid. Straws. Now we'll seal the hole with some hot glue. Seal it from the underside as well. Now, it is true with a straw, we create that pressure differential with our mouths. The main point of the previous video was just to show that the atmospheric pressure does apply a force, and it presses equally on all objects from all directions. Now we shall put some water in the jar. Put our lid back on. So now what do you think will happen when we blow some air across the top of that straw? Due to how flimsy that is, so anytime you have moving air over static air, it creates a pressure reduction. That pressure reduction allows the atmospheric pressure to press down on the water in the jar, which in turn makes it lift up through the straw. The second straw here was so you could see the bubbles for the atmospheric pressure pushing into the water. As the water was leaving the jar, the pressure was reducing inside the jar, so you had a double whammy. So without the atmospheric pressure, would it still work? Let's find out. So the atmospheric pressure does have a big impact on it. When I shut off the atmospheric pressure from it to re-enter the tank, it was trying to re-enter through this straw. It was making the water kind of bounce up and down. So he's getting some little spurts there. Let me see if I can get the camera zoomed in to see that. One final experiment. What do you think will happen if we pressurize the jar? Probably exactly what you expect. Don't let it out too quick. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that, maybe learned something. That gives me an idea for a video that I'll make for you here that you can have some fun with the family. We'll see you on the next one.